Today we will scan the entire website, but if you want to limit the crawl to a certain amount of pages, you can enter the number of pages it will scan to limit the amount of resources you are using for your device. As you can see, our web crawler scans the entire website and gives you some insight of your pages. You can select which page elements you want to be viewed if you want to narrow down specific areas you want to focus on. You can see the page elements displayed with errors and information about the page, which we will go back to momentarily. Here I am viewing only the meta title, meta description, keywords and H1 tag that will be the only page elements to be displayed on the page. Notice that all of the pages only show those elements, but if you want to view them all again, simply click on the Select All button. This will add all of the page elements back so you can view them all at once. This feature is currently being improved and will be released soon, with each page element showing the number of areas so you can easily narrow down the search. Next, narrowing down the pages you want to view is an easy click of a button, because you can collapse all of the pages quickly or expand them. By expanding and collapsing the pages, it helps you get an overall view of the pages you are working on quickly so you can understand which pages to focus on. Click on the Show Errors button, which will only display the pages with errors. This will narrow the pages even further so you have an idea of what you are working on. You can navigate through the many pages you crawl to see what types of errors, warnings and suggestions offered to you to update on your website. In addition, there are SEO tools that you can use that will help you improve your page, which I will go over later. Discover which pages are secured with an SSL or pages that cannot be indexed or followed. By identifying issues that may negatively impact your search engine rankings, you can address them and improve your website's visibility on search engines. This section will give you a quick view of pages that are redirecting towards other pages. Our software not only helps you identify issues but corrects them as well. When you click on problem areas, you will be able to open up a box that displays the issues, what pages they are found on, and how to correct it. There is a spelling and grammar tool available that will detect issues with your content. This will help you find resolutions to the issue by the click of a button. By removing the excess content, you will notice that the character count is reduced to the proper limits. Here I am going to intentionally misspell this word to activate the Grammarly scan to show how quickly it detects the error and offers a suggestion to it. Then Grammarly scan quickly picks up on the text change and displays to you the error within the content. This helps you to identify and find a solution by a click of a button so you can have an error-free sentence be displayed on your site. We are currently adding AI generative tools for you to automatically create content for you. You will also be able to copy-paste the text to your website. Discover the keyword density for your page and how many times it is used throughout. These tools are designed to help you quickly clean your text and content and better understand what keywords are being used on the page so you can make the corrections needed to improve your website. As you can see, the pop-up box is used frequently throughout our software, making the use of multiple tools on different applications obsolete. Eventually, our AI generative tool will help you create better content for your page elements. Some of the other features of our software includes helping users discover page and site duplicates within our website for your CSS and JavaScript. Some of the other features of our software includes helping users discover page and site duplicates within your website for your CSS and JavaScript. This will show you areas that have unneeded scripts that can slow down individual pages. While our web crawler scans your website for errors and will be displayed for each page element. Our software will display invalid, missing and duplicate alt tags, including anchor text within your pages. The scan will check for website load time, duplicate metadata, check your site's robots.txt, content character length, and a large list of errors that may be unknown to you. We will display how many H tags are on each page and site-wide, including how it is displayed for your website visitors to see. In addition, our software checks to see if your canonical tags are correct so Google knows how to use in their search results. The pop-up will display which pages contain the error, so you only have to update the corrections all at one time instead of separate instances. To learn more about what our web crawler looks for, you can view the features page of our website. Next, if you click the internal links button on top, it will give you a display of every internal hyperlink on the website. This will show what anchor text are on the pages and where they are used. The broken links section shows users which pages have broken hyperlinks that are not working. It displays every page the link is found on so you can quickly correct issues at one time. Next is an important technical SEO issue. When you use the redirect section, it will display all of the pages which the URL is redirecting towards another URL. It will show you exactly what pages the redirect page is found on so you can update them. Another important section is regarding external links. Knowing which pages go to external sites can give you valuable insight to links that are broken or outdated. It also shows you which pages the links can be found on, including what the anchor text show as well as missing text. The CSS section displays all of the external style sheet files from the link tag. Knowing which pages they reside on can help users understand which ones are on additional pages and which CSS links are broken. The images section displays all of the images on the website that are broken and not viewable to users. You can discover which pages it shows up on so you can quickly make corrections, including alt tag issues for the image. Similar to the on-page report, users can view spelling and grammar issues which Grammarly will scan for errors. Last is the JavaScript section. This will give users an overview of all JavaScript links on each page, displaying errors, duplicates, and broken links. Knowing these issues can assist developers in discovering problematic code otherwise may be overlooked. We have added page speed insights to our software so you can add your unique API key so you can get a better understanding of the metrics and speed of your website. This is a summary of our technical SEO Spider tool, which I hope will help you with your projects. In addition, we have several added tools to use with our software. One of them is our sitemap generator, which helps you build the sitemap for your website. After you crawl your website, our sitemap generator will instantly generate a XML code for you with all of the page on your site, which will give you a complete sitemap to upload. When you click on the Manage Edit button, you can modify the priority and last mod tag in your sitemap, which allows search engines to determine when a page was last updated. The date at the end of each line tells search engines when each post was last updated. This will help with your SEO because you will want your pages crawled as soon as possible. In addition, you can easily sort through your URLs and quickly delete pages that are not needed, giving you complete control of your sitemap, or you can add pages manually as well. After you add the additional pages, you can customize the settings by changing the priority, last mod, date, and time to it. Lastly, after you make your changes, you can go to the download button or copy the code so it can be uploaded and used for your website. Next, let's explore the Page Speed Insights, which gives a report on the user experience of a page on both mobile and desktop devices, and provides suggestions on how that page may be improved. When you scan a URL from your site, the software for Page Speed Insights will scan the page and analyze it for core web vitals, which are a common set of performance signals critical to all web experiences. The core web vitals metrics are known as FID, LCP, and CLS, which may be aggregated at either the page or origin level. There are quite a bit of metrics being scanned during this process, so it will take time to implement the report. While it is scanning your website, it will analyze over 140 different technical site health and SEO issues. You can now view the mobile and desktop report after it completes its diagnosing of the performance issues. Here you will find many opportunities and recommendations for improving your website. These changes can range from optimizing images, simplifying code, modifying color changes, or even reducing server response time. This will help increase speed and improve the efficiency of your site. This can be very beneficial for your user experience and help boost your search engine rankings. A page speed score of 90 or above is considered good. 50 to 90 is a score that needs improvement, and below 50 is considered poor. There are many factors that can prevent a web page from obtaining a good metric score. Some of them include making sure that you compress and optimize your images and include lazy loading code, reducing your redirects, create cache your web pages, use asynchronous and defer loading for your CSS and JavaScript files, and minify the CSS, JavaScript, and HTML of your website files. Next, our HTML tools will help you minify your website code. This will help you improve the speed and performance of your website. Next, our critical CSS will add your above-the-fold code so it loads first. You can also minify and beautify your code, which increases site speed and improves overall performance. Next, JavaScript can slow pages from loading quickly, so using our JS tools will minify the code for better performance. Our image tools will compress images into WebP, which will create smaller and richer images, making the site faster. Our text tools offers a word counter and a keyword density tool to help users improve their website SEO. Next, our link checker will scan your website for internal and external links, checking for URL validation, dead links, and URL status. This will help improve link issues that are occurring on your website. Lastly, our final list of tools consists of a sitemap and htaccess generator. The htaccess generator can help you achieve faster loading time by compressing and reducing file sizes. Thank you for joining us, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support.